Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. So summer has just started, so let's create a foxy eye with a summer twist. So start with clean exfoliated face, and the first thing I'm going to be using is this moisturizer by Bobbi Brown. It's called Vitamin Enriched. It's really rich, really suitable for normal to dry skin. So next step I do is I use a Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. It really makes my lips smooth and soft. I always do the skin and lip preparation first, and then I start with the eyes. Next I'm using is MAC Strobe Cream, and if you're looking for a very subtle glow, this is the best product. So I'm done now with my skin preparation, and now I'm starting with eyes, and this is the P. Louise base and my shade is number 4. I really love P. Louise bases, and they offer a variety of shades. This is super pigmented and it really evens out my discoloration, acts as a primer, and really makes my eyeshadows pop. So the only way P. Louise base really works is if you set this base by tapping motion. So once you apply all over your lid, you just have to tap until it gets tacky. Now both of my eyes are prepped, and you can literally see the magic of P. Louise base. And since I won't be using any shadow on my eyelid, so that's why I'm just setting it with MAC Studio Fix powder NC40. I am using Jaclyn Hill palette to create foxy eye makeup, and I'll be using 3 browns, light, medium, dark. So for my transition shade, I'm using MAC Dark Tan Bronzer. I really love multi-purpose products, so I use this as a bronzer as well as an eyeshadow. The brush I'm using here is MAC 217, and I'll keep building this product until I'm satisfied. So now I'm working on my crease and extending it outward to have a cat eye shape look. So I am building the intensity by using a medium shade of brown from Jaclyn Hill palette, and the brush I'm using is Huda Z10. So just like you apply an eyeliner, you have to work with these brown shades in the same way. So you have to keep working with the shades until it's blended. You can make this foxy eye makeup more dramatic if you wish to by adding a black color, but I am creating a very daytime foxy eye makeup for summer especially. So right now I'm leaving my eye makeup halfway and just adding this pop of yellow. The base is again from P. Louise. To set the yellow P. Louise base, I have taken a yellow powder shade from Huda Beauty-Electric Obsession palette. Now I'm using my Sephora black liquid liner and really working on that inner corner. So when you guys are working on your inner corner and trying to create a cat eye look, you just have to be very careful and just take baby steps, because you can easily go overboard. So when you take the brush out of the eyeliner tube, make sure you remove all the excess product so that you don't create a mess. I wanted you all to see how I do inner corner in real time, so that's why I didn't cut this clip. It's time for lashes, and this is one of my favorite Huda Beauty Farah lashes. This is personally signed by Huda Beauty, which I really love. To create a perfect fox eye look, make sure you choose the lashes which are longer from the ends, just like this one. If you are a complete beginner when it comes to false lashes, I highly recommend you to use a latex free glue, and if you're not allergic you can use a duo glue also. Duo glue doesn't set immediately, that means it allows you some time to really set and place your false lashes in a correct position. Today I am using Huda Beauty-Electric Lashes Mascara, and this is really good for, that lifted and curly lashes effect. Now for my face, I'm starting with this Makeup Forever HD corrector in R40. It's a peach colored corrector. It really cancels out all the darkness around my corners of the lips and my nose and the dark circles. I am absolutely obsessed with this foundation these days. This is one and only Maybelline Fit Me foundation, Hydrate Plus Smooth. I have dry skin, so it really works magic on my skin. Doesn't feel heavy or cakey, and it gives me a very fresh and radiant look. I always talk about this sponge on my Instagram stories, and my foundation routine is really incomplete without it. This is a Cloud Sponge by Juno & Co, and it's really inexpensive, only for $5, and blends like a dream. I completely forgot to show this highlighter on camera, but the one I'm using is by Marc Jacobs, Omega highlighter. This really gives me that golden glow, and it looks amazing on medium to tan skin. For my lips, I have outlined with Huda Beauty Spice Lip Liner, and then I'm just filling it up with Sephora Lip Stain number 13, which is a very beautiful mauve shade. I hope you guys like this foxy eye makeup with a pop of yellow, and when I was filming this last scene I was like, I want to add some gloss. So now I'm just adding a Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss, and I think it really changed my look. So let me know, what do you think? Do you like the matte lips better, or you like the glossy lips? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon. Take care, bye.